I created this rubric with the help of Copy AI in less than 2 minutes. And the amazing part about it is Copy AI weighted points, did all of this, and it took away a lot of my administrative burden. Now I can go in and utilize my expertise to fine tune and really hone the rubric. So those 2 minutes I spent with Copy AI creating the rubric saved me hours of work when I have multiple rubrics to create for a class. So whether you're a instructional designer, professor, instructor, teacher, you've made a lot of rubrics. So save yourself some time and remove some of that administrative burden. And here's how I do it. As you probably already know, I am a big fan of Copy AI and all the different templates and tools that they give you within this tool itself, and specifically the workflows and the ability to copy the prompts that I make. So if I get one and it works really well, I can just duplicate it and duplicate it and duplicate it. Copy AI gives us the opportunity to reduce our administrative burden and focus our energy and our expertise where it should be. In this case, let's talk about rubric creation, because we spend a lot of administrative time creating rubrics. So whether you're a teacher, instructor, professor, instructional designer, you've probably built a lot of rubrics. They could take a lot of time. So why not get a little bit of help to get some of that bulk administrative work out of the way, and then we can focus our energy on where it is important. So in this case, there's some basic workflow stuff that I like to use. Is first, give it a persona, act as a professor and create. So we're going to act as a university professor. Copy AI is going to act as a university professor, and it's going to create this rubric. So this is telling, we tell it who it should be writing as, what it's going to write. So in this case, it's going to create a rubric with 4 levels: beginning, developing, accomplished, exemplary. We want Copy AI to put it in table format for the assignment, and then we give the context. It's for the mindfulness relaxation challenge. That is the assignment. Here's the instructions, methodology behind it. And then we say the assignment is worth, so now we're going to give it even more detail. So the assignment is worth, not worth, the assignment is worth a total of 200 points. Weight each level of criterion with points according to the level of difficulty. So we've given it a persona. So we tell it who to write, tell it what we want to write, how we want to write it, and the level of detail that we need. So let's see what this comes up with. So this is for our challenge. Hopefully it'll disperse the points. We'll have 200 points for everything. That would be just absolutely fantastic. Well, so far we have the right headings. And we have points in here too: 40, 60, 100, 140, 170, 200. So it gave us our 4 levels. It gave us the criterion, and then it actually weighted the criterion as well. Each criterion is designed to reflect the importance and difficulty of that aspect. So now this just helped us with that administrative burden. So now we go in and we double check what it is, see if it did it correctly or not. So all we have to do is hit copy, and then we could paste that into, whether you use Google Docs, Word, whatever it may be. We can simply go in and edit. We can even use the editor here. If we just say add to editor, it'll put everything right here, and you can make any adjustments you want. So that's one reason why I really love Copy AI. And then I can actually save the prompt that I wrote as well. We're going to go save prompt. So if I want to use it again, I simply save the prompt. Or I can even create a workflow for building rubrics. So anyway I go, Copy AI gives me that opportunity to save a bunch of time on the administrative stuff and let me focus my expertise on helping the student and guiding all the paperwork that we have to make. I hope this was helpful, and have a fantastic week.